Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, it's Lynn here. So today I'm popping on with my make for the autumn Halloween collaboration, which is hosted by Lisa, a crafting diva. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel in my description box and also all the other people who are taking part. So this week is week 3 and the make was Halloween. So for my make I've got this Haunted Hallows diamond art painting, and it is a skeleton with some scary pumpkins. So if you haven't used crystal art before, you get the canvas, you get all of the little crystals, which are, I've got a few of them here, which are all numbered, and on the canvas it gives you the number of the crystal you've to use. You get the pen and you also get the little wax square, and what you do is you pop the pen into the wax square and you load that up. Hopefully you can see the red wax just on the end of the pen. So you load your pen like so, and then like I say, you've got all of the little crystals and the canvas, and this is all sticky to pop the little crystals down. And like I said, they are either numbered or they have a letter, and you just pop whichever number or letter into the little dish. And a little tip, I like to give mine a little shake and it kind of turns them over. So I've got just a few here to finish it off. So this is the letter D. Pick those up with your pen. It's really simple, and if you happen to get them not quite in the right place, all you need to do is just sort of show you in a second. If it wasn't quite in the right place, you would just sort of nudge it with the end of the pen just to get it into the right position, and that is as simple as it gets. So I'm just about finished here, got 2 to do now, and just look how quick you can work on the canvas, kind of chat along at the same time. I did get the little wall hangings to hang this up if I want to. If not, I can just probably stand the canvas like so, and it stands absolutely perfectly. So yeah, there is my finished scary skeleton and the scary pumpkins for the Halloween collaboration hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.